Well, in your darkest hour of need, a lifeline for help will soon be just a text away. News 12 Long Island's Eileen LaPalmer tells us about the 3-digit number that could save you or a loved one. Eileen.
Well, Macy, just like you can dial 911 when there's a physical emergency, you will soon be able to dial 988 if you or someone you know is having a mental or emotional crisis. It's 3 numbers that will get you help 24/7. The Federal Communications Commission voting today to require that text messages sent to the number 988 will be routed to the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline by next July. Phone carriers also working to implement routing calls there as well. Tonight I spoke with experts in crisis management as well as the father of a 13-year-old boy named Ryan. He lost his life to suicide in 2003 after being bullied online and in school.
The first step you need to make is to ask for help. And so that's the unfortunate thing a lot of times, especially younger people. They're very impulsive and they don't realize that they have unlimited options. And so they go down this very narrow thought path and end up doing what my son did. So I think this is great. I think this is going to just increase the opportunity to ask for help.
You want to get the appropriate help for the appropriate, the appropriate response for a mental health emergency. You don't need the police in most cases. You need a crisis counselor who can help de-escalate the crisis in the moment.
And this 3-digit number for the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline comes as suicide is a growing public health problem. There were more than 45,000 suicides in the U.S. in 2020 alone. And again, that 3-digit number will be operational by July 16th of 2022. Ian?